Alright YouTube, so welcome to an unboxing video. I haven't done one of these for a while actually, but I thought it'd be rude not to, seeing as I've got something nice and shiny to unwrap. So as you can see, my two assistants have arrived, although they're not of much assistance when it comes to this. I didn't expect to be doing this today. This came in like two working days, so that's pretty cool. I bought this off DynoDaze Performance Parts.com, which if you use ModFix as the discount code on orders over £100, you get 5% off. So yeah, I made the most of that and got a nice 5% off. Come on, let's get this unwrapped. Alright, so I bet you can't guess what it is. There we are, she's finally free. Although I sped that up, that took about 10 minutes to unwrap. Right, so as you can see, I've got the centre section for the M2 exhaust. I've already got the rear section on at the moment, and the plan is to get a Piper manifold, a Piper T-cap, and then obviously this and the M2 back box, and then I want to get I'll probably get an RRC intake manifold as well. So I've decided to go for this because I've already got the rear section, so unless you get a custom bit made up, you're going to have to buy this unless you go for a whole new exhaust. So as you can see, we've got two sections. We've got all the bolts. There's those bolts, and then we got these bolts at the back. We've got a couple of gaskets. This one's already got a gasket on it, so it's not there. So anyway, there we have it. Well, I need to weigh it as well. I want to weigh it so I can see, obviously, if I've got some kind of weight reduction from swapping them over as well. If you didn't know, I've been keeping track of all the major things I changed in regards to their weight. So I've got an overall delta of whether I've gained weight or lost weight in regards to the car. So yeah, I'll add it to that, and then you can have a little look at the other things. If you haven't seen the videos, you can see what weight savings I've made from other things, or what other bits have actually added weight to the car. Right, so I almost forgot to weigh them. I've packaged them back up. I was just about to take them out to the garage, and then I remembered. Joe. Right, so how much am I weighing today? 109.7. $115.2, so 5.5. Right, so thanks for watching guys. I know these unboxing videos aren't that exciting, but at least it makes me remember to weigh them, because I wouldn't otherwise. So yeah, please like and subscribe, hit the old notifications bell, chuck a comment down below, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.